So if you can remember, we talked about how we can add a new property to a dictionary, and also how to update or change something inside a dictionary. So this one exists, but cat here didn't exist, and then we added it to our dictionary. So there is actually a method in order to update or add a new item to a dictionary. So let's simply talk about it or do it here. So for example, here new dictionary dot update, and imagine that we want to add a new item or a new key. So here inside of these circular brackets, we can write curly brackets, and inside of it we can add, for example, we should add the key and the value together. So for example, we can add weight, so how much does it weigh, and notice that it should also be inside quotation mark. So weight, and his weight is, for example, 75.6, and once we print out the dictionary related to new dictionaries, new dictionary dot items, let's also comment this one, and here, as you can see, dict items. In the dict items we have weight, which is 75.6 for James. And if you want to do this for the dict of people, you should also add William key as well. So, for example, if you want to do it for William, here, let me copy this one and paste it here. So actually D has not been copied. Okay, and here we write the same update, and inside the parentheses we write the curly brackets, and inside of it you can add weight, and then column and quotation mark. For example, he's 80.87 point, for example, 6. Let's save this one, and we can print the items of dict of people, save this and see if William has got a weight. Okay, as you can see, he's got his weight here. If you want to know the values, or actually the keys here, you can simply write the keys for William, and this make things much simpler. Okay, he's got his weight here, and here if I write James, as you can see, he hasn't got any weight here in this keys. You can also do the same when you want to edit one of these keys. So here we added weight, but for example we want to edit one of these keys right here. So for example, we want to modify the number related to James here in the new dictionary. So here we write new dictionary dot update, and inside of it we do exactly the same thing, and we write the existing key here, and then inside of the strings we can write, for example, we can change this number to 356, and let's save this. Also here we want to print out new dictionary. So for example, I will change this one dot keys, and let's see actually values. Here I should write values, or better, it's better to write items, because we can see both the keys and the values and check if it has been changed. Check that it has been changed here. So let me save this and rerun the code. And here, as you can see, we have so name James, email, and the number here, as you can see, 356, which was at first 897 here. Then we updated it to this number, which has 356 for new dictionary, and the name was James. Okay, that's it. We've learned how to update and also add a new data to a dictionary, or add any new keys to a dictionary. Now here, what if we want to remove an item? Up to here we've learned how to update or add item, but what if we want to remove one of these keys here? So for example, we want to remove number 2 from the new dictionary. So to do that, we use the pop method. New dictionary, and we use .pop, and inside the parentheses we can write actually don't have brackets, and we should specify the kind of key we want to remove, and we write number 2 here. Let's see what happens for the dict items of new dictionary. Here, as you can see, we have no number 2, we only have number, and then we have ID. So number 2 here has been removed from the items of the new dictionary. So by writing here the key, not only the key, also the value will be removed from this new dictionary. Also, if you want to remove the last item or the last keys and its value from the dictionary, you can write pop item or use pop item method. So pop item, and you can write nothing inside the parentheses, and this will remove the last item. So here, as you can see, we have weight, which was added by the update, and then by using this pop item we have no weight. If I repeat this one more time, and so copy and paste, save this, and what we will see here, we don't have the list of the dogs as well. Like other collections, suppose we want to use the delete function, because that is not a method. We use del before new dictionary, and here we specify the method. Actually, we specify the key here. For example, we want to remove height, and we write it here, and then let's check whether it has height. As you can see, we have no height inside the items of the new dictionary. So this is another way. Notice that if I write DL new dictionary and write nothing inside here, inside these brackets, what it does is to remove the entire dictionary, and we will face an error, as you can see. So let me comment this one and use also remove method, new dictionary, actually clear method, and see what happens for the dictionary. Here, as you can see, we don't face any error, but the dictionary has been emptied by this clear method. So we use clear, delete, and pop item, pop all of them for removing items, or emptying the entire dictionary, or delete for removing the dictionary itself so that it doesn't even exist, that we can see it. And once you use the delete function, you will see that here we face an error because we have no new dictionary in the first place.